I will give you my 4-step framework to go beyond resilience and develop a take charge mindset to successfully overcome the marketplace's volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Resilience is the ability to withstand pressure, get back up, and continue doing the same thing. On the other hand, the take charge mindset is about Welcome to today's video. I'm stoked to record this session for you as we delve deep into my concept of the take charge mindset in entrepreneurship and business. Unlike resilience, the take charge mindset is not just about bouncing back from challenges, but about thriving and growing stronger because of them. You see, resilience is the ability to withstand pressure, get back up, and continue doing the same thing. On the other hand, the take charge mindset is about number 1, gaining strength by analyzing the situation. 2, embracing flexibility. Flexibility means pivoting toward better systems and outcomes. And number 3, continuous learning. I will give you my 4-step framework to go beyond resilience and develop a take charge mindset to successfully overcome the marketplace's volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. To become a victorious entrepreneur, professional, and business person. The first step towards developing the take charge mindset is say yes to the VUCA world and turn it into a competitive edge. When you say yes, you lose resistance toward changing for better. Understanding that embracing the VUCA, that's volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous world, can be a strategic advantage for entrepreneurs, professionals, and business people. Let me give you an example. Stuart Butterfield, the co-founder of Slack, faced uncertainty when his previous startup, Glitch, it failed. It was a gaming company called Glitch. Glitch couldn't handle the marketplace's volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. However, instead of seeing it as a failure, Butterfield realized that the internal communication tools they had developed to coordinate their remote team was more valuable. This realization gave birth to Slack, which is now a messaging platform that businesses worldwide use. Butterfield's ability to pivot and find opportunity amid uncertainty shows how embracing the unpredictable nature of business is essential. Now let's move on to step number 2. The second step is progressive refinement. This approach allows you to learn from failures and quickly adapt, making it a pathway to taking charge mindset. Google is an exemplary model of a company that benefits from progressive refinement. When Larry Page and Sergey Brin initially launched Google, they introduced a groundbreaking search algorithm. However, they didn't stop there. Google has continually refined its search algorithms, iterating and improving them over time. The company's dedication to constant experimentation and adaptation has kept them at the forefront of the search engine industry, allowing them to anticipate and respond to changes in users' behavior and technology. The third step is GTC, growth through challenges. Challenges are inevitable. Howard Schultz, the founder of Starbucks, faced challenges when he first tried to introduce the coffee house culture to the United States. His idea was met with resistance, and Schultz left the company briefly. However, he learned from the challenges, and when he returned, he implemented a strategic shift by focusing on creating a unique customer experience. This pivot transformed Starbucks into the global coffee house chain today. And the last step is EVS, establishing versatile systems. The Toyota Production System, TPS, is a highly regarded manufacturing system in the automotive industry because of its versatility. Being versatile means adaptability, flexibility, and an emphasis on continuous improvement. The versatile production system has helped Toyota increase efficiency, respond to changes in demand, and successfully navigate through market fluctuations. To sum up, the 4 steps are embracing the VUCA world. The second is progressive refinement. Number 3, GTC, growth through challenges. And number 4, EVS, establishing versatile systems. This video took hours to streamline and a few more to edit and upload. If you find the ideas helpful, please subscribe for more. We can collaborate to bring about meaningful transformations. Take advantage of the free worksheets. I believe you can create your desired uncommon reality. As always, I'm here to cheer you on in your journey of creating an uncommon reality. I look forward to our next encounter. Go beyond resilience. Take charge.